Watching a meme. Watching a meme is cute. Okay, anyways, what should we do? I have no idea in this video. What should we do? Okay, let's just search in our folder. Whatever should we do? Oh, my chat studio. If you don't know my chat studio, I have my chat studio. It is cool. It is cute. It is adorable. It is amazing and stuff. Yeah, these are my projects. Yep. Yeah. I want to be I want to be a manager, please. A manager, please, because us is my chat. Okay. I don't want to be creepy. I'm not creepy. Okay, I'm not creepy. SB Death Star. I'm sorry, SB. But I have to. I don't know. Memes. Well, these are all the projects. So, hey, I have an idea. Press create and make anything. I mean, an animation. So let's just find something. I don't know what I'm gonna make. Just finding something. Cheap. Excuse me. Oh, why am I sick? I'm not sick. No, I'm not. What a beautiful rainbow. What a beautiful rainbow. What a beautiful rainbow. Yes. What a beautiful rainbow. What a beautiful rainbow. What a beautiful rainbow. Okay, I'm just recording something. I have no idea what I'm doing, but yeah, another rainbow animation. Yes. So I'm just gonna put this rainbow over here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing this. What a beautiful rainbow. There we go. Making something, making an animation. So probably I'm going to do some brightness effects. 25 and then 0. So yeah, first I'm also going to set the brightness effect to 0. And then when green flag clicked, I'm going to do a send brightness effect. Then that's like 1 second. And yeah. What a beautiful rainbow. Wow, a pretty rainbow. It's so cool. This is basic. So I don't know. I want to add something. I want to add some sparkles. Sparkles, sparkles. I'm adding some sparkles. Duty. Why is my channel so funny? Okay. So I made this star. I think it's gonna look good. What is that? Okay, that is weird. That is weird. So I'm just gonna erase it. Erasing everything. Bro. Okay, now let's just make the star. Focus on the star. Okay, there we go. I got the star. I'm just gonna slide it down a little bit. Go over here and I'll put it over here. Stars. So yeah, wondering if I clicked. I'm going to keep doing this. Just 1.3. No, 2. No, oh my gosh. Yeah. What a beautiful rainbow. Wow, that is such nice music. Let's see if we can make it faster. What a beautiful rainbow. I want to add some more to this. I mean, yeah, it's kind of boring, but still. Yeah, I'm gonna reduce the volume. Yeah. It's funny. I don't know what is it, but it's what a beautiful rainbow. What silly music. Anyways. Okay, I lost it. Also, you can check this latest project. Also, you can check my stuffy. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos too. And where is that? Okay. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Yeah. So anyways, bye guys. See you next time. And I can't wait for the next amazing scratch project. And don't forget to check that out. I have no idea what I'm gonna make next. But still, why is my mouse moving so fast? Okay, I'm done. Stop. Okay. Bye.